DATOS, your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your HP 15seq1018ns and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, flip the laptop over and remove the battery, if it's removable. This will prevent any accidental power on during the repair. Now, locate the screws, securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. After removing the back panel, you'll see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth, as this will help maintain the laptop's performance. Now, locate the LCD cover. You will need to remove the screws that secure it to the laptop frame. These screws are usually located around the edges of the LCD cover. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them and keep them safe. With the screws removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the laptop. If it feels stuck, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Once you have successfully removed the old LCD cover, take your new cover and align it with the laptop frame. Ensure that it fits snugly and that all clips are properly engaged. Before securing the new cover, it's a good idea to check the display connection. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you reckon this is too hard, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Once you've confirmed everything is in order, secure the new LCD cover by replacing the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the cover. After securing the cover, reattach the back panel of the laptop onto alignate carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws on the back panel, ensuring they are all tightened securely. Finally, reinsert the battery if it was removed earlier. Power on your laptop to check that the new LCD cover is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about your next steps. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the LCD cover on the HP 15seq1018ns. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.